Morning. So in yesterday's vlog, I find it kind of funny how I was talking about ending my daily vlog, and you know how I was filming and a lot of the stuff was uninteresting. Hopefully it still remains uninteresting, but I got a call from the alarm company from work saying they got an alarm, so I'm heading into work now. No one should be there, and it was a motion detector that went off. We got a couple cars here. Maybe some of the office people are in. Got my keys. Howdy. Yes, it did.
Sorry. I called and I'm like, I've only ever locked the building to go out. Every time I've been here, they're already here. I'm like, so I pressed away and my code and away. I'm like, oh shoot, I'm supposed to press stay.
Yeah, I got a call from the alarm company. I'm like, I'll go check it out. Alright, well, it just happened to be the couple of finance people that came into the office and didn't know how to disarm the alarm. They normally, lock up at nighttime, but they're not the first ones in, so I guess it's kind of good. Although it probably would have been really interesting to watch me tackle a bunch of thieves trying to break in, just kicking their butts, So after getting back home from work and checking on the alarm situation this morning, I got some time in front of the computer and finished up one of my other videos. So I'll release that video this upcoming Friday afternoon, and be sure to check it out. I'm sure you guys will enjoy it. It's a hammock video. Most of my subscribers really enjoy the hammock videos. So, but right now I'm actually at Cabelas. I got a gift card for Christmas, and I'm gonna check it out, see if there's anything here that anything that I need. I mean, because Cabelas is a need. So I didn't realize that they were closing a little early tonight, but I was able to get in and get out. Show you guys what I got. Got my favorite rice and chicken, but this is 3 servings. That's a lot. So what I'll do is I'll break that into 2 separate containers, because I don't think there's any way I'm going to eat 3 servings on a trail. And then I ended up getting myself a Under Armour shirt, kind of my favorite brand now. So what's your guys' favorite outdoor store? I would have to say it's probably REI. I have an REI that's not too far from me. Cabelas is pretty nice. We used to have a Eastern Mountain Sports that was pretty close, but they ended up shutting down. So I don't even know where the closest one is to me. So go ahead and leave a comment down below. What's your favorite outdoor store? Where do you do most of your shopping? All right, guys, I'm gonna end off the video here. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.